Good morning, everyone. We'll start with class 5, subject social science. We'll start with chapter 7 again, that is the hot desert. So, this is the second video of this chapter. In our previous video, we discussed about the climate of the hot desert and its vegetation. So, in this video, we are going to discuss wildlife in the hot desert and the life of the people. So first we talk about wildlife in the hot desert. Animal and insect that live in the harsh desert environment get their water from the food they eat. Many of them stay away from the sun during the daytime and come out during the night in search of their prey. Some animals remain inactive for a long time during dry months. Camels are the most important means of transport in the desert. Look at this. The hump of the camel store fat. Camel can eat thorny plants with their thick lips. Their silk nostril and heavy eyebrow protect their eye and nose from sandstorms. That is why camel is called sheep of the desert. The other animals that are found in the desert are foxes, hyenas, hedgehogs, moles, snake, beetles, scorpions. Ostrich are large, flightless bird found in the desert of Africa. Look at all these pictures. Wildlife: desert fox, scorpion, hyena, ostrich, snake, hedgehog, camel, golden mole. So next we talk about life in the desert. Very few people live in the desert. They can survive only where water is available. The inhabitants of the hot desert are usually nomads who travel one place to another. What is the meaning of inhabitant? The people who live in a particular area or region for many years. Okay. An example of such a nomadic tribe is famous Bedouins of Arabia and Tuaregs of the Sahara Desert. The occupation of the nomad is usually animal herding. The non-nomadic people who live in the hot desert make their living for farming, animal herding and trading. Millet is a popular food crop that is grown where water is available. People work in the mine where there are mineral deposits available, such as in the Sahara. Since ages, traders in the desert have been traveling long distances in caravans. These consist of a row of camels in large numbers traveling together. The journey could take months. Large canal systems have been constructed to irrigate the land. The Indira Gandhi Canal in the Thar Desert is one such canal system. Settlements have sprung up in desert near the mines to obtain valuable minerals such as petroleum in Saudi Arabia, Iran and Iraq. So in this chapter we discussed about the climate, vegetation, wildlife and life in the desert. Okay, so exercise of this chapter. This is your homework which you can do yourself. Underline the correct answer and match the following. Thank you.